Hey there, HOSA members! With the HOSA International Leadership Conference being a virtual conference this year, there are some new things they are implementing to make the registration process more accessible to members during these unique times. National HOSA is allowing members to register as a chapter, the same process as before, and has added an individual registration process as well. But first, let us remind you who is eligible to register for the virtual ILC. 1. You must be an affiliated member of HOSA. 2. You must have received first, second, or third in your event at the State Leadership Conference. Michigan HOSA does allow bumping, so if anyone from the first 3 places are not competing, it will bump to 4th, 5th, 6th, etc. Advisors are the only ones with access to the bump spreadsheet and have been asked to update it and inform students of their eligibility. The third way you are eligible is if you are a HOSA member who would like access to general sessions, exhibits, educational seminars and workshops, and the National Geographic Learning Academic Testing Center. Or lastly, if you are a HOSA member who is only interested in the National Geographic Learning Academic Testing Center. This is a separate registration option and $10 per test versus the $40 registration fee for a full conference. So, how do you register? First is the traditional way through the HOSA Conference Management System, CMS. If an advisor chooses to register all members attending the virtual conference, they would do so through the HOSA CMS the same way they did for regional and state conferences. If you need a refresher, please refer to our other whiteboard tutorial called How to Register for a HOSA Event on our YouTube channel. The second way to register is individually. With the permission of your advisor, a member can go to www.ilc.hosa.org/registration. Scroll down to Individual Member Registration Process. Fill out your information. There is a virtual ILC option, which is the $40 registration fee that you would select if you are competing and/or would like access to general sessions, exhibits, educational seminars, and workshops. The second option is just for the Academic Testing Center only, which is $10 for each test. Once you submit, you will receive a personal email with a personalized registration link. This email could take a couple days to receive. When you select your personalized link, you will be taken to the HOSA CMS to complete your registration. Before the final submission, you will need to give your credit card information for payment. Once your registration is complete, save or print your registration confirmation for your records. As a reminder, the official registration deadline for Michigan HOSA is May 15th. The national deadline is May 22nd, but we ask our members to complete registration by the 15th so we can validate all registrations and make any changes before the national deadline. We appreciate your promptness. After May 22nd, chapters that registered through the HOSA CMS will be emailed their conference invoices. For convenience, schools can pay with a credit card through the Michigan HOSA website at michiganhosa.org/online payment. Members who registered individually will have already paid through the individual registration process. There you have it! Good luck to all Michigan HOSA competitors, and we will see you June 24th through the 27th at the virtual HOSA International Leadership Conference.